What's happening, dudes? Do you remember the video from New York Safety Track when I went off the track and had a little off-track excursion? You know? Well, click here. If you do, you will know that I checked out the car and thought it was all great. But then also, there was another video about me doing the alignment on the car, where the caster was about half a degree off on the left side. Yeah, you know what I'm getting to. So I found the lower control arm bent. I think that might be the cause of my caster issue. So I got a new one and we're gonna install it. But first, we're gonna see the difference between the two. So this is the bent Bucky one I took out of the car. You can see, especially right where the ball joint is, it's got that pretty nasty bend to it. This is the new one, and we are going to lay it over the top. And you can see right about there. So there is a good chance on this one that my ball joint isn't where it belongs, and that could be contributing to the caster issue. So let's replace this thing. I've already got it out, obviously. And I've already got the new one, obviously. So let's put the new one in and take it for a spin, see if the steering wheel goes straight again. Okay, so the new control arm's in. I got everything tightened down. I made sure to lower the suspension onto a jack stand to have it loaded while I tighten the bolts down like you're supposed to. And yeah, now we're just gonna put the skid plate on and take her for a spin and see if it did anything. My steering wheel was quite a bit off, even though the toe was perfect. So I'm wondering if maybe having a bent control arm could have done that. But we do still need to run this thing over the alignment rack to see if the caster specs came back in. So let's put the wheel on and see what happens. Let's go drive it. Steering wheel is still off. Could just be because we aligned it with the bent control arm, or it could be that the control arm really didn't have any effect on it at all. We'll have to see if the caster comes back within spec. It was about a half a degree off, so that'll tell us if the control arm was really responsible or if I just spent $200 an hour for nothing, which wouldn't be the first time. Let's get this thing on the alignment rack and see what happens. Is third time a charm? Let's see. Nice! So the steering wheel is straight. All it took was 3 alignments on the control arm, right? Well, I'm glad that the control arm is what fixed it. That's fantastic. Kind of mad that I had to take up 3 alignments worth of time with Steve, but I'm glad that it all ended up working out. Thanks, Steve. So hit subscribe. It's right over there. It's a little red button. Hit the like button. It tells YouTube that this video is good. Follow me on Instagram at Apex Hunter. It's like right here. And do you like my shade? If you like them, go to blenderseyewear.com. There's a link in the description. Use code APEX16 for 16% off your whole order. I'll see you guys next time.